God.
Some noise.
I do.
I do.
I'm trying to get all the tears out of my eyes.
Oh, good luck.
Whew. I'm gonna be a train wreck when you walk down the aisle. Happy wedding day. Ugh. Try not to get choked up here. Happy wedding day, my love. We have dreamed and planned for this day for so long. It feels surreal. I cannot wait to be your wife. You are everything I need in all the ways I need them. Now hurry up and get dressed so I can see your handsome face. I love you forever, Bri. I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's hope it wasn't hungry. Bri, it's finally here. After 9 months of being engaged, our day has come. The countless hours and days of designing, gathering, and preparing finally are over. I want to let you know that this day is turning out perfect. Take a deep breath. We're almost there. As we are counting down the minutes to see each other, I want you to enjoy the moment. Now let's go do this thing. This is our moment, our day. I love you forever. Now I want to go see him.
Hi. How are you? God. It's gorgeous.
Hi.
It's freaking beautiful. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh my
You
God.
like it?
Finally. It's
Is it
beautiful.
what you pictured?
Yeah.
Really?
I think so, for the
Yeah.
most part.
You got a lot of your guesses right.
I did. Oh my God.
like the
I thought it was gonna be
pearl nail?
strapless. You got me on that.
Well, it's kind of strapless. You were half right.
I was half right. Is that the little pearls? Oh my
Yeah,
God.
The real pearls.
Oh geez, look
I
at
didn't
you.
realize until after I bought it.
I know. Yeah.
When I think about Brianna, I think about you make me so proud. You are the amazing daughter that I am just so proud of from every aspect. The human being that you are, the daughter that you are, and the person that you've become over so many years. Brianna, you feel things deeply, deeper than other people, and that's very true. And when it comes to people, you choose, you attach, you bond, and then you love with all your being. Oh my God, you look beautiful, honey. Gorgeous. Oh my God, it's your wedding day.
It's my wedding day. I'm getting married today.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
I just love it. Love it,
Like
love
my,
it, love it.
My veil.
You're gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love you too, baby. Have a great day.
Well, you're coming with me.
Yes.
Don't leave without me.
No, I'm not. I'm not leaving that.
Okay, you like it?
Love it.
You technically already saw a picture, but it's fine.
Well, yeah, but not like
Not
this.
done and everything.
Not like this. No, gorgeous. Couldn't be more pretty.
Brianna, you are my best friend, my foundation, my love, and my entire world. 4.5 years ago, our paths crossed, and from that first date, I knew I'd found the one. I knew that one day we'd be right here, standing in front of one another on our wedding day. I'm not sure if a lifetime is long enough to give you back everything you have done for me and will continue to do for me. What I can promise, as your husband, is to stand by your side, to make you the happiest wife, to support your goals and dreams, to lift you when you're feeling low. And from this day forward, I want you to know that you'll never have to be alone. And that's all you need to know. I don't know what the future has in store for us, but I do know, together as one, we can conquer everything that stands in our way. I love you, Brianna, forever and always.
In January 2018, I woke up, rolled over, and looked at you still asleep, cuddling Bubby. In that moment, I swear I heard my soul say to yours, "Oh, there you are." I knew right then and there that you would be my forever. Without a doubt, without hesitation, as if it was always some universal truth I had just now remembered. Today we say I do, and saying I do means saying I will. I will love you today and every day in all of the ways I know how. I will encourage you, I will trust you, respect you. I will create a home full of love and compassion with you. I will share my dreams with you. I will wish with every penny for you. I will lift you when you're feeling low.
Are you kidding me?
I'll hold you when the night gets cold and your toes are really chilly and you put them under my legs. And I will choose you again and again. Loving you is a privilege I vow to never take for granted. I fall a bit more in love with you every day. In you I found my best friend, my life partner, my soulmate, and my safe place. You, my love, are my greatest adventure and my home. I can't wait to continue to learn and grow with you and to tackle everything life throws at us together. I already know you're going to be the greatest husband and the best dad, and I look forward to one day telling our children the story of how one Instagram direct message led to a beautiful love story. And my love, our story is just getting started. I love you endlessly. Thank you for being mine.
It was beautiful.
but also my best friend. When I first started kindergarten and joined Bri at Cedar Ridge Elementary, we used to sneak hugs in the middle of the day. And we'd have fun as long as we were together. It didn't take long to realize that Bri and Jake were a perfect match. As they continued to take on the world together, they became even more solid, buying their first home, building their life, and now entering this new chapter.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jake, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
What?
Yes.
We said we weren't doing gifts.
I know. Hey, don't worry, something small.
Same. Okay, I was gonna open it. You had to open yours.
Okay, well, I just have it in my pocket, so.
Shut the fuck up. Open that right now.
What is going on?
Put the same line in our vows and we each got... I'm ruining the book. Okay. Yours has our wedding date on it, and it's a penny from 2017 when we met.
How are we the same person?
I don't know.
It's really freaky, but I love it.
Yeah,
and I
me
love
too.
us.